From light to earth, the birth of subtle consciousness. Hello friends. Imagine this. A tiny ray emerging from the sun, traveling billions of kilometers to reach us. Science calls this the speed of light, about 300,000 kilometers per second. But today, in TS Talks, I am going to present a unique and profound theory. This theory is based on the ancient wisdom of Jain knowledge, Hello Frances, the five elements, and the incredible journey from one-sensed beings to five-sensed beings. Today, we ask big questions. Light spread. How are stars and planets formed and destroyed? And in infinite Big Bang like cycles of the universe. And evolution occur from one-sensed beings to five-sensed beings. Jain knowledge tells us that the universe is divided into two parts, Lokakash and Alokakash. Lokakash is the realm where six substances exist: soul, matter, medium of motion, medium of rest, space and time. Here light spreads, and here celestial bodies are formed and destroyed. Alokakash, on the other hand, is infinite, empty and pure space, with no matter and no light. The core truth of my theory is, from light to planets, and the infinite journey from one-sensed to five-sensed beings is actually matter. The subtle particles of matter manifest as light. The most fascinating part is, this light exists even in darkness, even if our eyes cannot see it. It exists everywhere in Lokakash as subtle matter, and here lies the deepest mystery. Along with this light, the consciousness of one-sensed beings also exists in the same space. This consciousness is extremely subtle, delicate, and almost invisible. Like a very fine touch, the first glimpse of the soul hidden within matter. This subtle consciousness becomes the spark that later gives rise to fire-bodied, air-bodied, water-bodied, and earth-bodied, one-sensed beings. This journey begins with energy and reaches living beings. When two high-energy photons collide, pair production creates an electron and a positron. This is the birth of fire-bodied existence, the first active form of matter. Then these combine to form vast clouds of hydrogen and helium. Air-bodied existence. This is the solar nebula, which collapses under gravity and forms the foundation of planets. As it contracts, a protoplanet forms. Early Earth was a hot iron, molten sphere, a vast magma ocean of fire. Then through chemical processes, water forms from this state. Water does not come from outside. It forms internally. Hydrogen dissolved in magma reacts with iron and silicates. At extreme temperatures, 1400 to 3000 degrees, water forms and is released through outgassing. No external source, only transformation of matter. Then water and fire combine to form earth. Vapor cools into rain. Oceans form, solidifies into a crust. Now the five elements are fully established. All these, energy, fire, air, water, are one-sensed beings. According to Jain knowledge, these are five types of immobile beings possessing only the sense of touch. Stones, minerals, water-bodied, in water, in fire, lava, air-bodied, in gases and air, plants-bodied, in vegetation, and herbs. As earth cools, plant-bodied beings begin to emerge. These subtle life forms make the planet green and habitable. Once the basic planetary model is formed by one-sensed beings, a foundation for plant life is established. Then gradually beings with 2, 3, 4 and 5 senses begin to appear on that planet, from one sense to five sensed. The infinite dance of soul and matter. And this process does not stop here. As the planetary environment stabilizes, water increases, air purifies, etoleni energy balance, higher levels of consciousness allow beings to develop more senses. 2, 3, 4, a tiny Emerson beings are born according to their karma. This depends on karmic bondage and the level of consciousness of the soul. This process has been ongoing from one-sensed beings to modern humans, and it will continue endlessly. In the cycles of decline and rise, expansion and contraction continue without interruption. According to Jain knowledge, there are 4 million life forms, including various categories of one-sensed beings, plant life and multi-sensed beings, culminating in celestial beings, infernal beings, animals and humans. All these forms operate through the infinite interaction between matter and soul. Our own five-sense body is also formed with the cooperation of countless one-sensed beings, earth-bodied beings in our bones, water-bodied in blood and cells, air-bodied in breath and circulation, fire-bodied in digestion and energy, and plant-bodied in growth and nourishment. These one-sensed beings are the foundation of our existence. After death, a tiny
one-sense beings are the foundation pillars of our five-sense body
and travels in a subtle state. It carries only the subtle energy body and karmic body without any gross physical form. This transition lasts for a very brief duration, after which a new body is assumed. In Jain omniscient knowledge, the universe is beginningless and endless. Time moves in eternal cycles of rise and fall. In these infinite cycles, matter forms and dissolves suns and planets, while the journey from one-sensed to five-sense beings continues. The sun itself is made of matter, a dense and energetic form, providing energy to this entire chain. A tiny ray E. The relationship between soul and matter is eternal. The soul, through its consciousness, attracts and shapes matter into different forms. Even in darkness, subtle matter exists, waiting for the touch of consciousness. When we observe Neptune through a telescope, a tiny light that is hours old, but the deeper truth is, from that same matter arise one-sensed beings, and eventually beings like us. A single ray of light reminds us, we are small yet part of this vast universe. Every action and thought influences matter and continues this infinite journey. The next time sunlight touches your face, reflect. This ray is matter. It existed even in darkness in subtle form. The sun itself is made of this matter. From energy to one-sensed beings, and ultimately to five-sensed beings. This entire journey is activated by the subtle consciousness of the soul. This is the theory from light to planets and from one-sensed to five-sensed beings. An infinite journey of the universe where matter and soul dance together. What do you think? Do science, Jain knowledge, the five elements, and this theory complement each other.